The content in this video will be showed, DIY an adjustable power supply, with DC 1.25 to 32 volt, from a laptop power supply. Step by step. This is an used laptop power supply, with an output of DC 19 volt and 65 watt capacity. Plus a few other things together to make a voltage adjustable power supply. A DC boost converter, which can lift and lower voltage on the input, to a higher voltage on the output. Its input will be connected to the output of DC 19 volt here. An adjustable DC voltage regulator, its input will be connected to the output of that boost converter. A mini voltage meter for monitoring the output voltage. A couple of brackets. And a DIY made, the power supply socket set. All things here will be connected and secured on the wood board, then as the one piece with a 19 volt power supply together, to make an adjustable DC power, which its output voltage can be adjusted from DC 1.25 to 32 volt. All done. They have been installed on the board. By not using a pair of these brackets, a pair of DIY made brackets installed here instead, for the output DC terminals. This is the DC 19 volt socket set from the laptop power supply. Those are the output DC terminals, from this DIY voltage regulator. The boost converter installed here. The voltage regulator installed next to it. The socket's red wire is the power positive, which connected to the boost's input positive, black wire is negative. The boost's output terminals connected correspondingly to the voltage regulator's input terminals. The red wire is the regulator's output positive, all black wires are the negative. The mini voltage meter, which will monitor the output voltage, has been installed here. The meter's power supply wires connected correspondingly to the boost's input terminals. Its white wire, which will show the output voltage value, connected to the output positive terminal, negative connected already. All black wires are the same, connected to each other, and finally to the negative. This is the knob to adjust the output voltage. The DC 19 volt plug has been plugged into its socket. Switch the power on, the 9.28 volt indicating by the mini meter is the output DC voltage. Now is using a multimeter's DC voltage position to check up the voltage value. This is the input, which should be DC 19 volt. Yes, it is 19.4 volt, from the output of the laptop power supply. To check the voltage value on the output of the boost converter, which also is the input value of the voltage regulator. It is DC 29.1 volt, indicating by the multimeter. To adjust it up to 33 volt. Turning the potentiometer anti-clockwise. That's it. 33 volt, which means the voltage regulator's input voltage value is 33 volt. The DC 9.27 volt is the voltage value of the output. Turning the knob left is to decrease the value of the output. The lowest value was 1.12 volt showed on the mini meter. Vice versa. The highest voltage value of the output was 32 volt. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have enjoyed the video. Your encouragement is my motivation.